Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Reading Made Easy. Let us read something interesting today. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. The story that I have brought for you all today is The Lazy Horse. Now get ready and start reading with me. In a village, there was a horse named Suraj, known for being very lazy. Instead of helping, he liked to laze around in the meadow. When the farmer Sampath needed help with plowing, Suraj refused, saying he was too busy enjoying the sun. Other animals in the village saw this and decided to help Sampath with the farm work. Together, they worked hard and the fields bloomed with crops. One day, a storm threatened the harvest, and Sampath needed everyone's help to save it. Realizing the consequences of his laziness, Suraj joined in. The united efforts of all the animals, including Suraj, saved the harvest. Sampath thanked them, recognizing the importance of teamwork. The lesson that we learned from the story is hard work and teamwork bring success and happiness. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please come back to watch my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.